and welcome back to Pure on the Road. I'm Sam Marasini here at Cisco Live 2023. And one of the huge conversations we have again and again is data protection, ransomware. And I wanted to grab Zane Allyn, part of our principal technology team that's always talking about data protection. So
Absolutely.
Data protection, it's a huge topic here.
Yeah.
And everywhere.
Absolutely, everywhere, right? As it should be. As malware every day, we see it prevalent. It's on top of everybody's minds.
It absolutely is.
Yeah.
Now, we support lots of alliance partners when it comes to data protection.
We do.
But there's some underlying core technologies that allow them to do things better with Pure.
Absolutely.
And I'd love to kind of touch on some of those, if that's cool.
Yeah, I talk about that. I was data protection space before Pure, and
Right.
it's not really the data protection software, it's the platform you choose to run it on.
Sure.
That I was worrying about and trying to grow and get the resources. So first and foremost, all flash technology, ransomware, we mentioned that.
Yeah.
Rapid restore, restoring a lot of data at once, no longer restoring single files or single VMs. But more than that, the platform, because we have purpose-built hardware with our software, we can build in a lot of features into our platform that
Sure.
our backup partners are able to take advantage of. Our snapshots, our replication, gives them, augments their backup protection.
And we're seeing that across the board with our alliance partners, whether they're doing the local and remote snapshots simultaneously. Some of them are going to as a service models. We're seeing more and more embracing of Pure's infrastructure to simplify storage so that you can worry about other things. And that integration's key. And we have the integrations across the board with our alliance partners.
Absolutely, and simplify. I want to touch on that again. Something
Yes.
that's easy to manage, so I know that it's going to be there when I need it, right? Not a lot of human interaction needed, so you miss Windows and miss backup.
That's exactly it. And
Yeah.
then those protection providers extending that to application owners within the business units, things along those lines.
Absolutely.
I
They don't have to
also-
think about the storage, right? They
Just don't think about the
use
storage.
product.
Now let me change that conversation a little bit, because we even upstack that a little bit to Kubernetes with Portworx.
That's right.
Because Portworx brings some of that high availability and backup capabilities to container-based applications. And we're seeing more and more customers go that route when it comes to application development.
Yeah, it's a true DR platform across the board, because now I've abstracted that storage even more, and I can run the same workload no matter what cloud, on-premises, wherever I need it to be.
There's
Absolutely.
a ton of technology I'd love to drill into, the way we
Yep.
do snapshots, how we do it, how it's different. But we don't have enough time to cover all of that stuff. So along those lines, you guys head over to purestorage.com/data protection. You're going to find all the details there. Thank you so much for joining us. So we got more coming from Cisco Live 23.